everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on homecoming from the 9th to the 11th of March 2026 on Monday. All hell breaks loose when Shwabi discovers his wife in bed with Ngaraje. Tobane leaves a heartbroken matron as Juti calls, and he also makes peace with Zetu. Meanwhile, Nomalanga lies finally catch up with her on Tuesday. Ngaraje risks it all by confronting Shwabi, leading to a fiery clash. Nomalanga and Nomfundo remains torn apart by the lies, by lies, while Mangobo hides her bruises and Zeto fears for her. Sifiso and Mamkwanyane finally find peace, but their dream holiday is shattered when tragedy strikes Mpendulo on Wednesday. Mangobo's world continues to crumble under Shwabi's dark control. Mpendulo's healthy plunges the family into a turmoil, and Nomalanga's relationship with Spamandla begin to shift, hinting at the new chapter. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.